To square a number means to multiply a number by itself. To cube a number means to multiply a number by itself 3 times. Square numbers. How do we know when to square a number? We know to square a number when a small number 2 is near the top right of any number. This small 2 means to square the number 3. 3 squared is equal to 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. Now it's time to see what you learned. Cube numbers. How do we know when to cube a number? We know to cube a number if there's a small number 3 near the top right of any number. So 3 cubed is equal to 3 times 3 times 3, which is equal to 27. Now it's time to see what you learned.